I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the clip, check the native frame rate, and decide your target playback speed. Open your video editor and import a duplicate of the slow motion file so you never alter the original. Next, set the project frame rate to your intended output, for example 30 FPS, and place the clip on the timeline. This immediate setup ensures consistent timing. Once done, you're ready to convert frames rather than guessing during later edits. You now change the playback speed with time remapping or speed/duration tools. Enter the math. If the source is 120 FPS and project is 30 FPS, increase speed to 400% so frames play at normal pace. Choose a frame interpolation method. Optical flow offers smoother motion. Frame blending is faster but can ghost. Make small test renders to verify motion and artifacts. If you see jitter, adjust interpolation or trim problematic sections. Make incremental changes and preview in real time. You finish by rendering a short test clip to verify timing and visual quality, then export the full video with the project frame rate and suitable codec. Make sure audio sync is correct. If audio is slowed, replace or retime it to match the new speed. If you encounter stutter, return to the clip, switch interpolation methods, or slightly adjust speed percentages. Sometimes tiny changes remove artifacts. One key troubleshooting tip: always
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.